Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our revision chapter 3rd. Okay students, so let us see. Already I have written some fill in the blanks and some other questions we will discuss in this video. Okay, so let us start now. First of all, we will discuss about the fill in the blanks. So students, observe here, fill in the blanks. First question. A number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is dash a perfect square. If a number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, that is not a perfect square number. Remember students. Suppose I will say, okay, 2038. What is that end with 8? So it is not a perfect square number. Okay. If I will say 237, 7 is there, so it is not a perfect square. If I will say 42, 2 is there, it is not a perfect square. I will say 38353, 3 is there, it is not a perfect square. So this 4 digit, if you end with that any numbers end with, if this 2 is there or 3 or 7 or 8, then never be a perfect square. First of all, you have to say it is not a perfect square number. You understand? 2, 3, 7, 8. If you stay any number end with that is not a perfect square number. Okay. Next. So we can write what is that? Not. Second, on dividing a perfect square by 4, the remainder is what the students? 0 or 1. Students, I will say students. Suppose 25 is a perfect square number. Yes or no? 5 square is equal to 25. 25 is a perfect square number. What is that telling? If you divide it by a perfect square number by 4, 4 will divide. 4 6 is 24. Remainder is 1. So I told either remainder 1 or 0. Which case 0 will come? Suppose I will say students 16. 16 divided by 4, 4 4 is 16. So any number may will come 0 or may will come 1. So any perfect square number, if you divide it by 4, then the remainder will become, what is that? 0 or 1. 1 will come, some cases some perfect square number in cases, and some perfect square cases it will come also 1. So 0 will come or 1 will come. Okay. Next, third question friends. The value of 100 square minus 99 square. So students, already I have told, if the two consecutive square number, if the difference is there, then what you have to do? Just add 100 plus 99 is equal to 199. This is the only answer, 199. Did you understand friends? Remember, the difference of the two consecutive square number is equal to sum of the two numbers. That means just only add the two numbers. What are the two numbers? Only add 2. 100 plus 99 is equal to 199 is the answer. Okay. Calculate mentally. Mentally you have to just, orally just like you have to calculate. Sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. What is the answer? If you add this number by mentally, without adding directly, don't add 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, like that not. Orally you have to understand. Orally, mentally you have to say what is that. See students, sum of the odd numbers means here is the first sum of the odd number is equal to how many numbers you have added. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 square is equal to 49 is the answer. If you add this, what is that will come answer? 7 square. That means 49 will come. How did you know? Now how many numbers you have added? How many numbers you have added? Count, and that is square root is equal to 49. Did you understand? Okay. 75 square. Friends, we can write 75 into 75, but technically if you end with the 5, then what you will do? 7 8 is 56 to 5. Did you understand? 7 into 8, this side is 25. That means this will come 56 to 5. 7 and next number 8 multiplied, then 25 are due. So 56, 5625 is the answer. Okay. If you end with 5. Next friends, we will see Find the squares using the column method. You know students, column method what is that? Okay. So squares finding before that first number I will do so here students. 6, 8 square we are doing. Is equal to we can write 6 plus 8 whole square. 6 square plus 2 into 6 into 8 plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 96 plus 64. Okay. Now what you have to do here, column you do. First you write a square, one column, 2ab, second column, b square is the third column. Okay. Like this you should make. Next put this a square. This is 36, 96 and a 64. Now observe friends, marking you should do last unit digit to marking, do only one digit marking, and what remain digit 6, bring to here 6. Add, what will come on? You can add how much will come on? 12. 2 carry 1, 110. So what you have to marking? Last digit, unit digit only marking round give, and bring 10 here. Add, what will get? 46. Now what you have to write answer? Friends observe, hence 68 square is equal to a 2 digit 46. Next whatever round keep 2, next 4. This is our answer. Okay students. So same like students we can do also 34. I do for the B 34 square is equal to 3 plus 4 whole square. 3 square first a square plus 2, a means 3, b means 4 plus b square means 4 square. Okay, we can write 9 plus 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 plus 16. Now 3 terms we got. Now we can write a square 2ab plus b square. 3 columns we can make. First column what is that? 9. Second column 24. Third column 16. Now what you have to do students? You have to mark it. Which one? Round the this unit. Plus 1. 25. Round it 5. 2 will come. 11. Now write down that 34 square is equal to this number first 2 digit, next 5, next 6. So this is our answer. Okay students, I hope you have understood about the column methods. Next friends you should see. Next one is find the square using by the diagonal methods. Okay students, so diagonal method doing before first you should make it box 1. On square you should do, mark it like this. And keep right here 9, 7, here 9 and 7. Next diagonal you joint it. This diagonal also joint. This diagonal also joint. Okay. Now we have to write that multiplication. 9 9 is 81. So 8 here 1. 9 7 is 63. 6 here 3. 7 9 is 63. 7 7 is 49. Okay. Now see students, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 row like here 1. This is 2, 3, 4. So first 9 round keep. Okay. Next this is one add to second one 3 plus 4 plus 3 6 10. Okay. This is 1 carry plus 1 plus 1 carry came 6 plus 1 plus 6 add 14 carry 1 plus 8. How much students? 9. So answer what we can write students? Answer we can write it. What is that? 97 square is equal to, here how much? 9. Here how much? 4, 0 and a 9. This is the our answer. Okay students. Same like students we can do for 59. I draw it. Next 59 also students, make it box. Square box, make 4 parts. Write here 5, here 9, here 5, here 9. Diagonals make and multiply. 5 5 is 25, 5 9 is 45, 9 5 is 45, 9 9 is 81. Now make it the box, students. First one, okay. Second one, 5 plus 8 plus 5, 18. Carry 1, 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. How much, students? 9, 10, 14. 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. So what you got, students? Answer 59 square is equal to first 3, here 4, here 8, 1. This is our answer. Okay, students. Next, students, it has given fourth bit. Find the square root by using prime factorization method. Prime factorization you have to do, students. So roughly, first of all, what you have to do, students? Right here 4, 6, 2, 4. First 2 division do 2 2 जा 2 3 जा 1 जा 2 जा, ठीक है. Now 2 1 जा 2 1 जा 2 5 जा 2 6 जा 2 5 जा 10 2 7 जा 2 8 जा 2 2 जा 2 8 जा 2 9 जा. Directly you can 17 जा. So what you can write, students, is equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 17 into 17. So this is one pair, this is one pair, this is one pair. So hence square root of 4 6 2 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 17. Okay. So 34 68. So this is our answer. Okay, students, I hope you have understand about that, about the squares and square roots, chapter 3rd. Next chapter we will discuss about that next video, that is cube and cube roots on the next video. Thank you.